तू जाएगा क्या खपच्ची?
बड़े मियाँ
देख फोटो निकाल के
वो नेकलेस चाहिए like this. So that's how it looks. Uber guys contacted me. It was really nice of her to invite us. Look at the size of the prawns.
Drop it.
Another brilliant week starts with a beautiful Tuesday and a Gandhi topi because I was shooting for the election वाला video. आप लोगों ने देख लिया होगा. So yeah, earlier I had even made a video जिसमें मैंने बोला था कि 3 ways to make India a developed country. बहुत ही कम लोगों ने वो वीडियो देखा है, बहुत ज़्यादा गुस्से में आके मैंने वो वीडियो बनाया. तो I feel I should make another video of same sort जिसमें मैं same 3 चीज़ें बताऊँ because those 3 things are really important. I'll just take this off. Yeah. So if you guys want me to make that video, go on that video. मैं आई बटन में दे दूंगा उसकी लिंक और फिर उस पर कमेंट करिए और बताइए कि do you want me to remake that video because I want more people to see that video. So yeah, do let me know. So guys, this is a Valentine's Day special order. You can see the cake. So we just watched this movie called as Jolly LLB 2 and one sad part about watching movies is मैं कैमरा लेके आता हूँ तो मुझे बैटरी या कैमरा बाहर रखना पड़ता है. So it really feels bad because पता नहीं कब कुछ हो जाए कैमरा को. Can't take that risk, right? So yeah, speaking of the movie is good. Kind of ड्रामा बहुत ज़्यादा डाला है पर एक्सपेक्टेड. मतलब बॉलीवुड मूवीज़ में ड्रामा तो होता ही है बट थैंकफुली दिस इज़ नॉट अ रोमांटिक कोर्ट ड्रामा. इट इज़ अ प्योर कोर्ट ड्रामा. द मूवी कम्प्लीटली रिवॉल्व्स अराउंड वन पर्टिकुलर केस और जब वो केस ख़त्म होती है और एंड में आपको जब पूरा सिचुएशन समझ में आती है तो इट इज़ वेरी सैड कि पैसे की वजह से लोग क्या क्या करते हैं. वॉच इट वंस एंड नाउ वी गो to have something. I'm hungry right now. Yeah, let's eat. Yeah, first we'll have pani puri. So we are at Guru Krupa Sayan. So as it is Valentine's Day, she had to come to the most romantic place for us. And what more romantic than Guru Krupa, right? मतलब असली रोमांस तो पेट से ही शुरू होता है. For us at least. So yeah, let's begin with Pani Puri. I have shown Guru Krupa ka food so many times, right? So today I am not showing it. Because I have already shown it. And if they want to see it, they can see it in the I button, right?
Yeah, they can, but we
So,
have
yeah.
something different today, no?
Why to advertise Guru Krupa so much?
Yeah, that is.
They don't even contact us, man. Come on, give me a lifetime free membership.
Guru Krupa, sinners.
If you're listening, give me a call. Vlog में खाना नहीं दिखा ऐसे तो हो नहीं सकता है ना. Today we are having a different menu, dahi vada, yeah, and rasgulla. What's wrong with my hair again? So we are done with our wonderful dinner.
बस ना भाई, बस ना.
वैसे भी अभी कौन लड़की देखने वाला है?
देख,
अपना लड़की तो मिल गया अपने को.
तो क्या? तो भी कर रहा है.
For myself
Yeah.
and my people. What next?
We'll have juice now.
We'll have juice. Okay.
अपना अड्डा.
So while we were having the juice, I got a call from my cousin and he said we are going to the Marines. Yeah, so he'll be getting his car here and then we'll be going to the Marines. And she wanted to go to Marines at night since like ages. Yeah.
अब जाके किधर तो मेरे को लगता है पूरा हो रहा है.
हाँ, आत्मा को शांति मिली.
मिली.
अभी जाके मिलेगी ना, अभी जाके मिलेगी.
बाद
हाँ.
मिलेगी.
So we have reached here at Bade Mian. I hope you are able to see it. It's not visible, but this is Bade Mian. Unfortunately, we are already tight. हम लोग ने गुरु कृपा में बहुत खाया था.
बहुत कुछ.
He is going to have बहुत कुछ. So we have some rumali roti going here. This is beja fry, mutton beja fry. Of course, chicken का beja बहुत छोटा सा होता है. And this is chicken tikka. And Deepika is having none of it. Chicken maida roti. Finally, we are here at the Marine Drive. So सो मरीन ड्राइव रात को ऐसी दिखती है दोस्तों. Yeah, and I'll get down and show you too. And Deepika always wanted to come here at night. So finally, her wish has come true. See those lights and this. It is also called as the Queen's Necklace.
There's a distance between us. It's getting hard to reach out.
क्या क्या चाहिए? क्या?
देख फोटो निकाल के
वो नेकलेस चाहिए?
फोटो निकाल के पुलिस में
चॉकलेट चाहिए?
चॉकलेट चाहिए?
और ला तो
चॉकलेट नहीं चाहिए उसको, नेकलेस चाहिए मैडम. संभल के रहो मैडम.
Haven't seen you in seasons.
So it's around 1:30 at night and we are doing photo shoot here at Marine Drive.
But all I hear is your voice.
So those guys at Bachelors got really scared because I took out the camera, of course. I don't know why people get scared looking at the camera. ट्रेन से घर पे जाएगी क्या बच्ची?
तू जाएगा क्या खपच्ची?
And I've been counting minutes for quite some time now.
Deepika, you want light वाला shoes?
No. व्यर्थ के प्रलोभन हमें ना दे.
What?
And I've been counting days to get away, to see you again.
So it's 3 at night and we are finally home. Today is the 15th of February. It is actually our engagement anniversary, second engagement anniversary. Yeah.
Happy ending.
Yeah.
एंगेजमेंट
Yeah. बघितलं मला लक्षात होतं.
मला पण लक्षात होतं.
5-4
Oh, freak! Damn! मॉर्गझम कुठे लागलं असतं ते.
See you again.
And by the way guys, I got this new Manfrotto mini tripod. So see how small it is. Aluminum construction and I'm loving it. I got it for around 1600 rupees. And I'll leave a link below in the description, like always. Look how she's sleeping. Elections are just around the corner and people from everywhere are coming every day asking for votes, and they come in huge numbers and they are shouting, screaming, narebazi and everything. So yeah, that is what is happening here in Mumbai. Yeah, so this is what is happening. सपने देखने में और दिखाने में मुझे बहुत मजा आता है. Okay, so quick update. Before the update, I had made this video about voting. आपको किस तरह से वोट करना है, किसे वोट नहीं करना है. तो उस पर पब्लिक कमेंट करती है कि प्रसाद आप ही खड़े हो जाओ इलेक्शन में, हम आपको वोट कर देंगे. तो इससे रिलेटेड एक चीज़ मेरे दिमाग में आती है. मतलब मैं दीपिका को ये चीज़ बता चुका हूँ, मैं आपको आपके साथ शेयर करना चाहूँगा आज. देखिए, जितने भी चीज़ें आपको आपके आजू बाजू में दिख रही है, बीट प्रोडक्ट्स, बीट सिस्टम, बीट मनी, बीट एनीथिंग दैट यू सी अराउंड यू इज़ फॉर द पीपल एंड बिकॉज ऑफ द पीपल. सो इम्पॉर्टेंट क्या हुए? लोग. बराबर अगर इम्पोर्टेंट लोग हुए तो लोग मेरे साथ है ना, आप लोग हो ना मेरे साथ. मुझे लोगों का प्यार पाने के लिए पॉलिटिक्स की ज़रूरत नहीं है. जो पॉलिटिशियंस हैं, जो अपना काम कर रहे हैं, जो इकोनॉमिस्ट्स हैं, उन्हें पॉलिटिक्स में जाना चाहिए. जिन्होंने पॉलिटिकल साइंस की स्टडी की है उन्हें जाना चाहिए पॉलिटिक्स में. कीपिंग पॉलिटिक्स असाइड, अब बात करते हैं अपनी आरटीआई की और अपने रिफंड रेवोल्यूशन की. #माई रिफंड माई राइट, उसका क्या हुआ? तो जो आरटीआई हमने डाला था, आरटीआई सिर्फ मैंने अकेले ने नहीं डाला था और कुछ लोगों ने मेरे साथ डाला था. हालांकि मेरा रिप्लाई अभी तक आया नहीं है, पर किसी और का रिप्लाई आ चुका है और द डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ कंज्यूमर अफेयर्स ने हमें एक आंकड़ा बता दिया है कि कितने लोगों ने कंप्लेंट की है रिगार्डिंग द रिफंड्स. और वो आंकड़ा बहुत ही चौंका देने वाला है, क्योंकि आप समझिए इस बात को, इंसान कंज्यूमर कंप्लेंट्स की तरफ कब जाता है? जब सारे ऑप्शंस उसके लिए बंद हो जाते हैं, सारे दरवाजे जब बंद हो जाते हैं, फिर जाके उसे कंज्यूमर कोर्ट जाना पड़ता है. तो वो आंकड़ा है 10,931 पीपल. या इन इतने सारे लोगों ने कंप्लेन की है रिगार्डिंग द रिफंड, उनके रिफंड आए नहीं अभी तक। एंड दिस फिगर इज बिटवीन अगस्त 2012 टू जनवरी 2017। अब हमने क्या किया, ये जो आरटीआई का पूरा रिपोर्ट आया है, तो टीम यूआईसी, हियर कम्स द रोल ऑफ आवर टीम यूआईसी के लिए मैंने मेरे लाइव सेशन में बोला था लोगों को अपना डेटा भेजने के लिए। तो जिन लोगों ने भेजा उनमें से मैंने शॉर्टलिस्ट करके कुछ लोगों को मेल भेजा है। आपको अगर मेल मिला है तो यू आर अ पार्ट ऑफ टीम यूआईसी। यस, तो आपको क्या करना था उस मेल में वो मैंने आपको बता दिया है। अगर आपने किया है, जय हिंद। So today Deepika Bakes has made a different kind of cake. You can see the design. These are Kit Kats on the side जो हमेशा रहता है. But in the center these are again chocolate wafer balls, right? Chocolate wafer balls. So yeah, और ये केक लेके जाना है उत्कर्ष को, या उत्कर्ष जिसका बर्थडे वही केक लेने आया, उसको लेके जाना है गणपतिपुळे. Cute look, this is cute. वाह 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 वाह, क्या cute look दीदी है. And look who we have with us.
Home, and I just gifted mostly saying one painting in front of the whole college, in front of my principal, and made my college proud.
Where is my KC painting?
It's over there. I bought this one.
Thank God you didn't give that one. Worried man. Okay. Yeah, put this one.
We crowned this painting on our wall.
Yeah, he had his painting exhibition in Poddar College.
And people were really excited seeing my work. Everyone was coming, and because no one had such huge paintings, and people were really excited. Vice principal, and a great day. Wow, मजा.
आता तुला परत सोडायला कोण आलेलं?
So morning में they did a car for me, and now
Who did a car for you?
the college people, some
अरे वाह.
and so they helped me carrying the paintings to the car, and now also they helped me to put the paintings in the car, and they paid for my Ola. So yeah, it was a very nice gesture from their side.
What happened to your watch?
And even that's an artwork, because you remember Casey had told that he had made his goggles like a cow.
Acha, I thought it just got ruined or something because of the paint. But
This
no.
is art.
Okay, I got it. So did you like his new watch strap?
Okay.
Alright, we got it. You even ruined your pant.
Yeah, and these are acrylic paints, they don't come off, so I ruined my pant.
So I'm right this time. I thought you would say it's an artwork. So
ती तशीच घालेल तो आता.
ठीक है.
कळायला पाहिजे ना पेंटर आहे. Dipur rocks.
Like this. Eee! She did this.
असंच केलं ना?
हे माझी जीभ बाहेर काढा.
फालतू पडा रे.
She can't do फालतूपणा in front of the camera, but for फालतूपणा you have me.
मग काय झालं सांग. दिपुरा.
And by the way, I don't have an AC at my place. मतलब बहुत सालों से, बचपन से हम लोग के घर में AC ही नहीं है, कभी भी AC था ही नहीं. तो yeah, I'm poor, judge me. But yeah, now we are going to install an AC. Finally, as I'm always shooting in this area, so the AC will be right here. I'm taking a window AC, and Deepika is not well today, and she's like, I'm going to die. एक दिन काना खाली जागा करी.
जागा करून
फालतूगिरी करू नको, इज्जत में झोप.
आता मला जागा करून दाखव.
Get up, chalo. And even this cake is waiting for Deepika. Deepika, cake is waiting for you.
I know.
It's my baby. I grew it with so much care and affection.
I can understand.
And now I have to take it off. It hurts. So all your million requests for me to shave my beard, your petitions, everything has come to this. I shaved. See that? I shaved. Well, I could not shave it off completely. Come on. How can you expect me to do that? मैंने ट्रिम कर दिया है. You see, अभी बहुत लेंथ छोटा रह गया. यहाँ से थोड़ा बड़ा रखा है. Yeah. दीपिका मानसात आलो. So I just made black coffee for Deepika. Look at her halat. Take this, drink it. You'll feel better. प्रसाद बाबा का नुस्खा कभी फेल नहीं जाता. पी जा बालक. देयर इज वन मोर सिमिलैरिटी बिटवीन मी एंड दीपिका. हम लोग एलोपैथी मेडिसिन जो होता है उससे बहुत दूर रहते हैं. ज़्यादा मेडिसिन हम लेते नहीं, हमें लेना अच्छा ही नहीं लगता है, मतलब पहले से. एंड इवन हर डैड, माई डैड, हम लोग एलोपैथी मेडिसिन से काफ़ी दूर रहते हैं. एक टाइम आयुर्वेदिक जितना भी आप दोगे वो चल जाएगा, बट या नॉट द गोली एंड कैप्सूल्स. नो 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 नो. औरत का सेवा करो रे. औरत, दैट वर्ड इज सो बैड, आई एम डिस्गस्टिंग. ये औरत,
ये पुरुष,
पुरुष क्या मर्द?
ये मर्द,
मर्द,
ये मर्द.
हाँ, औरत और मर्द. So yesterday night I posted this thing on Instagram. See that design? And I asked people if they would like me to print this on a t-shirt. Would they buy it? And people had mixed reactions. और जो लोग भी Instagram, Facebook पे नहीं है उनके लिए मैं स्पेशली ये बता रहा हूँ आपको. If you really like the design, I can print it on a t-shirt and roll those t-shirts out. I'll just show you how it looks on a t-shirt. So that's how it looks. So if you really like it, take the poll and let me know if you want me to roll out these t-shirts, these ones. आम हिंदुस्तानी ग्राहक की आवाज़. आइडिया है, ये जो कंसेप्ट डिज़ाइन है ये कहाँ से शुरू हुई? ये यहाँ से शुरू हुई. सब चीज़ें मेरी डायरी से शुरू होती है इस तरह से. सो इट वॉज अ कंसेप्ट एंड आई एम रियली लकी टू हैव सम आर्टिस्ट विथ मी जो कि इतना अच्छा अच्छा आर्ट वर्क बनाते हैं. सो टेक द पोल, डू लेट मी नो. अब मैं नहाने जा रहा हूँ क्योंकि मुझे बाहर जाने का है. So we are going to Thane right now. I've booked a Uber. So this is the thing with Uber. Uber guys contacted me. Like always, I asked them कि आप Indian consumer family के लिए क्या कर सकते हैं. So they were like, we'll for starters provide a promo code for the Mumbai people. So I'm really sorry कि मैं सिर्फ मुंबई के Indian consumer family members के लिए कोड दे पा रहा हूँ. Here is the code UIC100 and this is for all new users. So new users can use this code. You'll get a straight 100 rupee discount on your first ride. Yeah, and all the details related to the code will be mentioned below in the description like always, and it will be valid till 17th of May. And if Uber guys get a good response from this code, then in future, God knows what kind of codes we can generate, right? Yeah. So this is where we were headed. We are at Thane right now at Tandoor Chili. Hi.
Hi.
And I was invited by Prachi here. It was really nice of her to invite us. So हमारा खूब भूख लग लिया है.
I'm your clock. From now to eternity I give you all my heart. We are meant to be, it's clear to see my love.
She is taking my pictures, I don't know why.
So they have given me a good camera now.
People say that phone does not have a good camera by the way.
How many times for you I'ma try. Want you to notice the one and I know this perfect soulmate. I wanna show my best friend. She saved my life.
So Mr. Nilesh is a proud owner of Tandoor Chili. So I would like to ask you, what does Tandoor Chili exactly mean? मतलब नाम ऐसा क्यों रखा?
This is a combination of two cuisines.
Okay.
We are serving Audi cuisine as well as the Chinese cuisine. So we have combined this funky name.
And even their kitchen is open. See that? You want to go check it out? Yeah. Alright. So everyone is not allowed inside the kitchen.
No, not.
But yeah, we are. Special privileges for UIC. Thanks to this guy here. And this is how it looks from the inside.
All gravies and biryani will be prepared here.
Okay.
And this is our Chinese section. All your Chinese starters, noodles, rice, everything will be prepared here.
So I've seen quite a bit of kitchens. Like I must say, this is clean. This is really nice.
We have kept it open because that is the pressure which we develop on the staff. They have to keep kitchen clean.
Yeah.
The open kitchen, everybody coming on.
Otherwise, not everyone does this. The glass. You want to try it? Look what he is doing. Yeah, he's showing you from the outside. Chicken royalty. Alishan
Oh baby if you ever need a helper, you should know that I'll be there day and night. Nobody else can love you better. I'm here just to treat you right. You're the reason I'm alive.
Look at the size of the prawns.
Ain't I can endure, but when you're not here, you're my dream, but I just wanna. Yeah.
And for desserts we have Shahi Tukda. You're full. But Tukda nahi wadna rehta. There is a special offer in this restaurant. Like if you come on the 21st and 22nd, और अगर आप वोटिंग का आप दिखाओ, इंक दिखाओ, यू कैन सी इट राइट हियर, राइट? अगर आप वोटिंग का वो इंक दिखाओ हाथ वाला, दैट मीन्स यू हैव वोटेड राइट, तो आपको 15% ऑफ मिलेंगे, 15% फ्लैट ऑफ. सो या, इफ़ यू आर लिविंग इन ठाणे पोपट एरिया में ये रेस्टोरेंट है. इफ़ यू वांट टू नो एनी डिटेल अबाउट द रेस्टोरेंट, विल गेट द लिंक बिलो इन द डिस्क्रिप्शन ऑफ जोमेटो. मैं बहुत फुल हूँ एक्चुअली, इसके लिए थोड़ा समझ गया ना. Thank you. So they just gave me this, like obviously much better than a bouquet, right? Thank you very much. Thank you so much. Thank you. What signal is this? Cadbury Junction, na?
Yeah.
Yeah, so the hotel is very near to the Cadbury Junction. और क्या खाया यार, क्या खाया मतलब. Thank you Prachi. Seriously, thanks a lot for inviting us. And I'll talk about the experience in detail when I reach home. And she is the Dhani. Yeah, thank you. We don't need a car actually, right?
Yeah.
This is good.
Yeah. This is actually good.
No maintenance, no need to drive and everything.
No need to drive.
Yeah.
Even you can enjoy.
The plant is
If we
looking
will
so
have-
nice.
Yeah.
So let's unbox this. Deepraj, just unbox this. This is what they gave us. They gave us a gift and this flower pot. This is so beautiful. Thank you so much Prachi for this. And everything, the complete experience. Okay, wow. These are some really nice Parsi Dairy Farm chocolates. Aram se, aram se, aram se. This is something special. Okay, this is Deep Life. I got UIC. And what is that? So they gave us this amazing custom made keychains.
These are really cool.
These are cool, man. I'm
I like
attaching
the
this on my
Prasad
bike.
One. Prasad one is so.
UIC is so
Yes.
dope. Thank you again, Prachi. I'm loving this. So a few dishes that you must try if you visit. Tandoor chili. Prachi ने खिला खिला के थका दिया ना. Yeah. Anything related to prawns, seafood, whatever seafood you get there, just grab it. Especially prawns.
Look at him.
So the prawns were big, like tiger prawns, huge prawns they have. So anything related to prawns is great. The gravy, the chicken gravy was amazing. What was that? Chicken Mughlai?
Mughlai.
Chicken Mughlai was great. It was so nice. Second must try thing will be the mutton seekh kebab.
Wonton soup. You
Wonton
can try
soup.
that.
Okay. Paneer
The
was great.
paneer Peshawari, yeah, that was yum. Like it was really nice. You can have that.
It was soft.
The
Matlab,
paneer was very
it was just
soft.
melting in your mouth. So yeah.
They suggested me paneer patiala like.
Yeah,
you
I
can
did not
have-
like the papad in it.
Yeah.
I removed the papad side mein and the gravy was good. Apart from that, the location is a bit weird because it is far away from the station. It is exactly in between Viviana and Koram Mall. तो स्टेशन से बहुत दूर है. Location can be an issue for people who are not from Thane, and if you're from Thane, you need to try this place, especially for the prawns. Guys, the Super Consumer series has received an overwhelming response, and with the Super Consumer series I wanted to showcase different types of scenarios, episodes जिसमें कि अलग अलग चीज़ें हुई हैं. Then be it government issues, जैसे हमने पोस्ट ऑफिस का इशू देखा, या फिर प्राइवेट कंपनीज के साथ, प्राइवेट कंपनीज के 2-3 थे. तो एवरी एपिसोड हैज समथिंग डिफरेंट एंड इन्फॉर्मेटिव. और मेरा यही मोटिव था इस सीरीज़ के साथ कि आप लोगों में वो हिम्मत पैदा हो और आप भी जाके फाइट करें अपने राइट के लिए, जो सही है उसके लिए फाइट करें. बट द सीजन 1 एंड्स हियर. 5 एपिसोड्स है सीजन 1 के. आप इन्हें शेयर करें, आप लोगों को बताएं, और मैं ये प्रॉमिस करता हूँ कि सीजन 2 इससे ज़्यादा धमाकेदार होगा. येस, आई हैव ऑलरेडी स्टार्टेड वर्किंग ऑन इट. और फर्स्ट सीजन कुछ हद तक मिसमैनेज था क्योंकि हर संडे को मैं आपको एपिसोड डिलीवर नहीं कर पाया. बट सीजन 2 में वैसा नहीं होगा. इट विल बी परफेक्टली मैनेज्ड. आई हैव ईमेल्स ऑफ यू गाइज जिस पे मैं काम करूंगा, एंड होपफुली सीजन 2 विल बी माइंड ब्लोइंग.